Hi, this is Ron Nutter with another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter product reviews. Today we're looking at the NEEWER Arca Type QR plate kit. Boy, isn't that a mouthful. And three things you need to know about this. This is the unboxing for the NEEWER, excuse me, correct pronunciation, QR mount plate. This is something I recently came across because of the system I'm starting to use for my unboxing and overhead shots, and that came from the folks at NEEWER. And this is a quick release Arca compatible system that they've included with theirs. And I tell you what, I'm so impressed. I've ordered 2 of these because I'm going to put them on all my tripods, because I've got different tripods I use when I'm doing different kinds of product reviews or other shots. So what we'll do is we'll pull that little tab out. And I'll tell you up front, I did cheat slightly. There was a piece of plastic tape on it, so I undid that. And we'll get this out of here. And there's much needed wrench. So if you're like me, you're wrench poor. And then there's the mounting system or the mounting instructions and the different legal requirements. Now, this is what got me attracted to this, because now I can, where I was getting ready to have to go buy yet another studio camera, with this I just put the mounting plate on one, and then I'll put this on the different tripods or surfaces that I want to use the camera on. And it's got both the 1/4-20 and the, I believe it's the 3/8 that's got on there. This is the magic piece that lets you release the camera quickly. So you just push it in, plate comes right out. You don't need a screwdriver, although if you're like me and sometimes you have a hard time gripping the little ring that they send with it, that certainly gives you another way to do it. But when you go to put it in, you can either just press it in, or you can just hold the tab down there, slide it in and release it, and then it's ready to go. One thing you can do for an extra degree of safety is push the tab just a little bit out of the way, and that way that serves as a lock to keep you from having to worry about the camera dropping out, because I don't know about you, but I don't enjoy dropping my cameras. Thing number one, it's quick switching between platforms. And then when I say platform, now I've got this one tripod that's on a dolly that I use for a lot of my product review shooting. Well, I'm just now in the final stages of setting up another area where I do more kind of the unboxing and the overhead shots, and it came with this same mounting kit. Well, when I saw what that did, I'm going, well, that beats the heck out of trying to do a, I was taking the camera off one system, which involved unmounting a plate and doing other things, and then put this in. I said, forget it, I'll just order a second kit and put that on my dolly tripod, and I'll have the other one on the overhead shot system. This is really that versatile, and I'm going all over the place. So that's thing number one. Thing number two, on the bottom, and you'll see this coming around, it has both 1/4" and 3/8" mounting points. So depending on your system, you've got options on how to get it done. And there's also, if you notice the lever up top, that takes it to the next step. You can actually lock it in place so that you can't disengage it from whatever platform you've got it on, and your camera fall and maybe damage the camera. Heaven forbid, I wouldn't wish that on anybody. Thing number three, this supports a maximum load of 17.6 pounds. That's not bad. This is all metal. I did not find, other than the little rubber pad on the part that mounts to your video camera or SLR or whatever you're doing this with, that's the only piece of rubber on there. There's no plastic. This is an all metal device, so you're definitely getting value for what you're doing here. So look at getting one of these and think about getting maybe more than one, depending on how you're using your cameras.